Alright, hello everyone. I am going to be doing a disassembly video of this tablet. As you saw from the thumbnail, it is a Nextbook tablet. Hold on, I'll actually, right there. It was a cheap one, so I'm really not surprised that it's already dead. I mean, just for... Okay, never mind. It actually turned on this time. So I've recently not been having much luck. Oh, you can actually see me right there. Yep, that's hello. What was I saying now? I've not been having luck turning this on. It was taking charge before, but for some reason it was not turning on. And if you're wearing two earbuds or a headset and it sounds like I'm coming from the left, that's because I'm sitting off to the left. Hello. And then normally just gets stuck at this screen right here. And that's it. And then just sits here. I'm not going to prove my point. It does that. Believe me. If you don't believe me, well, whatever. Come on, turn back off. So, this thing does have charge. Take two. This thing actually does have charge, though, and it has been taking charge, so it's nothing wrong with the battery. Don't know why, but it just won't turn on, even though it does have battery, as you saw. Stop laughing, Stop laughing. Okay. So this thing is, you are able to take this apart. There's a little line. Oh, power button, volume buttons. Only one camera. SD card slot right here, it is empty. Whoops. SD card slot right there, it is empty. Cable for syncing, and it's also a charging port. I think you can also plug in like an external storage thing. HDMI charging port and headphone jack. Oh, and then speakers are over here. And I'm not going to show you the case because that's just going to be too long. Granted, I have verified my accounts, my YouTube account, so I can put in videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And no, never mind. I did not post the video where my sister was the camera person. Because it didn't work. I think that was too long. So, you just go boof. And, oh, power button's coming out. But that's okay.
Be careful.
It's not a big deal. It's gonna break anyway.
Was that like
so then, this is what the inside of it looks like. I'll move my hand.
Was that tinfoil?
Look at the size of that battery. That's huge compared to my phone's battery. My sister's gonna go grab my phone. It's charging right now. I'll probably open the back of that and compare the batteries. Yeah, go ahead, unplug it.
It just unplugged by itself?
Oh, it did. It's loosely connected in there, so here. You don't need to turn it on.
Oh.
So this is my phone. No service. But so it's pretty much like an iPod, but just Samsung. I mean, compare the size of these two. Whoops, it's not on screen.
They're almost the same size.
No, they're not.
But like, it's like...
They're not. They're nowhere near the same size. I mean, they both do take up most of the device, but...
Like, on the tablet, it's like more like of that technology stuff, and on the phone, it's like only the battery that you can see.
There's a lower layer behind the battery on this. I'm not going to take this all the way apart, though, because this still works just fine.
Hey, you could just see me.
See, still works just fine. It actually turns on. You can actually use it. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is because, as I told you earlier, this thing does have an electric charge, and these are rubber.
Except the back.
Kind of. Well, yeah, this is rubber. I like them, by the way. They're nice.
I thought those are supposed to be like gardening gloves.
So, yeah, they are. They're my gardening gloves, but I use them here. Oh. Well, okay.
That was loose.
Yeah, that was quite loose. The volume button just came off. Okay. Power button's still in there, but it's kind of way out there. Hold on, you can't see it that well. See? It's supposed to be over here. So this is not all though. There are screws on here. Where are they? Over here. Right there. Oh, there's some around the battery as well. That's not a big deal though.
Yeah.
There's one down here. And, well, the point is, there's another layer under this. So I'm going to just be taking this apart and hoping that nothing explodes.
And I'll be running out of here.
Yeah, well then, in that case, this video won't even be uploaded. Big or little? Little? Okay.
Petite.
Oh my gosh, Peyton.
French is awesome.
Yeah. Just in case I want to put this together again, I am going to keep the screws.
On the couch.
Yep. Oh,
You guys gonna put a couch
if
on?
you recognize this, any of my subs, I will be rebuilding it eventually. I was gonna mention that earlier, but I completely forgot. So,
Welcome to the SS Skinny Fowl.
yeah, sure. That's what the name of the boat was. Essentially, with my class, I had a contest at a camp, and there were no prizes, so I mean, and it was just to see how much a cardboard boat can hold. And I'm actually, the iPod is sitting on the pontoons, two of the pontoons, and essentially it just broke after holding about 35 pounds. The record was, I think, 135, or something like that. It was pretty, wow. Maybe, I don't think it might have been like 120 or something, I don't know. Pretty sure there's one down here that's just hiding from me. No? Okay.
That tape came with the thing, right?
I don't know why there's tape in here. There is tape in here. Here,
Maybe that's
here,
just
here,
with
over
it.
here by the speaker, and down here. No idea why it's here. I mean, it just seems out of
It
place.
looks like masking tape.
Uh-huh. What'd that say? It says AH. Down here. Down here. It says AH.
Get it right. It says
Oh my gosh. Just doesn't matter. Everyone makes mistakes. Oh, there's one more up here.
Why would there be an AH though?
It might be the kind of thing it has, like how the A8X or whatever chip. You know what I mean?
That kind of looks like a D, like with that sticker. That
Yeah.
sparkly
This is the
sticker.
SD card slot right here.
Oh. It's tiny.
Yeah.
Dear. Oh.
Also, this thing is supposed to be anchored in here. I think that's why it wasn't turning on. Oh, plastic piece just fell off. Anything else that I missed? Oh my gosh.
Oh, that is wiggly.
This thing's coming off.
That's not supposed to be like that.
Butter. Oh, I can't because it's hooked up to these down here. I mean, I still do want to be careful with this. So that's completely separate. You'd think there'd be a screw down here too. It doesn't look like there's one. Oh my gosh. Go.
Okay.
Goodbye, everyone. I'll be back someday.
Yeah, she's gonna go shower. I don't really want to break this because, I mean, it's just a disassembly video. It looks like there is something still under here, but I don't think it would be. I think it's just the touchscreen part. And plus, if there's anything dangerous in here, I don't want the chemicals to escape, you know, right? Don't want to die. Trying to see if there are any more screws left. I mean, you'd think there'd be some over on this side, but it doesn't look that way. Whoops. Hit the setup. I don't think the headphone port is all that important. You're back already. Wow, that was fast.
I don't know where my jeans were. I only have one pair.
This thing isn't even anchored in.
I'm going to go grab that water spray thing. I'll be back.
There's literally just glue under this to hold it in. Maybe it's tape. Ow. That hurt. It's eating me. Wow. I am surprised. That's...
Do you want to spray?
My sister just sprayed water in her face.
Yeah, it looks like my red. It's like I'm all sweaty now.
'Cause you are. Come on. Oh, I did not see that coming. So under here, there's, I don't know what this is. I'm really don't know that much about tech. So I couldn't tell you what any of these pieces are either. All I know is this is the memory motherboard thing. I don't know. But there's something anchoring this down and it goes all the way around the frame of the battery. I think that's how it works. Battery gives power to that thing somehow, carries the electric signal onto the touch screen,
I know what.
which is this part. Thank you for that commentary. This thing is never going to work again. I heard a couple popping noises.
I'm back again.
Yeah, you are. You never showered.
I sprayed myself. That's close enough.
You spurred yourself?
No, I sprayed.
You said
With
spurred.
that water stuff.
I don't really want to poke the screwdriver into the battery. Kind of made a dent there because it might explode.
Do I smell like water now?
No, your hair is just really, really wet. I mean, you can literally see the water droplets on it.
Yeah, that's because of the mist thing.
Should I try to turn this on?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard. Oh my gosh, it's actually turning on.
Oh wow, that's surprising.
You can see the light through the touchscreen down there and down here.
That is so surprising. Wow.
If this thing actually turns on in the full way, I mean.
Okay, so guys, if it turns on the full way, we have to say ooh and ah. Okay.
This isn't your channel.
I know.
Go make your own YouTube channel and you can
I
comment.
want to.
Truthfully, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just bursts into flames. There's no fire extinguisher nearby. I do have a water bottle up in my loft though.
And
So
that
that should-
water spray thing.
Yeah, but I don't know if this is a fire that you could put out with water. Nope, it isn't turning on.
Ooh, hoo.
I'm shutting it off.
Maybe you need to have the back on then.
No, you don't. It isn't turning off. Okay, never mind, it did.
Okay, so like it was all dark in the background, and then just the background just lit up. That was so funny.
Oh, you can see the cross up on my wall. There's a reflection of one that's up. Yeah, up there. Yeah. There we go. You'll be able to shake it out? I don't know. Any tips, anyone? Comment section, feel free. I'll respond to everyone because really I've only had one comment, 2 comments. One from a friend and one from someone who wanted me to sub to him, and then he'd sub to me. So I don't know if he ever did. I checked my subscribers and I didn't see him, so I mean he might not have that shared publicly. Public. Anyways, but I don't know. I bent the battery.
You did?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Is that bad?
And probably not.
Oh.
Truthfully though, I don't know.
I heard that.